Hi guys, welcome back to my unofficial channel. In today's video, I just want to do a quick how to make kefir milk. This is a small soup bowl of kefir grains that I've been growing, I think that's how you call it, in organic whole milk or organic 2% milk. So today, I just want to show you how I do it. And this is my kefir milk. I'll clean it up later, sorry about that. I will let it sit overnight. The next day, I'll drink it. The whey would be on the bottom, but you can see chunks or curds of the milk. I like it just like that. I don't like the milk sweet. So what I'll do is, I'll do a nice mason jar. I don't really use anything bigger than this because we don't consume any more than this much milk or curds and whey in a day. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm not gonna store this these grains, I'm just gonna put everything in this 24-ounce mason jar. I just took the grains out of the other vessel that I was fermenting it in. So the grains are still cold. It doesn't really matter, you don't have to let or I won't say you because I'm not an aficionado in making kefir milk. I will say that I do not let my kefir grains sit for room temperature before I put fresh milk in there. It's a little messy, but I will clean this up after this video. So you can see, look at that big guy. That's a behemoth right here. This is, oh sorry, you can't see, I'm so sorry. This is Big Bertha right here. There's a couple Big Bertha kefir grains. So this is a 24-ounce jar, and I almost have, I don't know if you can see this, almost 12 ounces well, it's almost at the 12-ounce line full of grains. And it's okay for me because the more grains you have, the faster your ferment will be, or the faster your grains will eat up the sugar in the milk. And usually I use organic milk. This is the first time that I'm using non-organic milk. This is local Colorado milk. We get a lot of good stuff here, so I didn't think that it was necessary to purchase organic milk. So the milk is still cold. I never wait for the milk to get to room temperature before I put the grains in. And this is pretty much where I will fill the line to. Not too far, not too high, because what's going to happen is that when the grains eat up the sugar, it's going to cause carbonation in here, and you'll see after 12 or even 24 hours that the line is going to come up a bit because all the gas is built up and it's taking up space a bit. So all I do is, excuse me. So all I do is, after this, I just put the lid on lightly. I don't seal it up or anything, and then I just put it aside somewhere in the corner, and then I let it ferment for 24 hours before I drink it. And like I said, I don't do anything special. Sometimes we will put this in a smoothie with blueberries, bananas, a bunch of good stuff, and it turns out great. We don't put any additional sugar in there. Whatever sugar's in the fruits is the sugar that we'll get in our smoothie. And I enjoy this. Hopefully, I've told you guys everything that you need to know on making the kefir milk from the grains. No, I have made kefir milk using just kefir that I purchased from the store, mixing it with milk and storing it at least 2 days. Then it'll get slightly sour. But with the grains being so many, or me having so much grain, it basically ferments the milk like fast. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If there's some tips that you would like to give me, something maybe I'm missing or I'm doing wrong, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy your day.